$250 to the winner. If you're by yourself, the wife don't know, the wife's here, you're screwed. There's a little guy. Got a little guy around here? This one, right here. Either one of you guys. Come here, buddy. Stick your hand in there, would you? Pull one out, just one. Reach in there. There you go.
Thank you.
Ticket number 794-8527. 794-8527. Check those tickets.
I was close, but this is not like it.
794-8527. Tick, 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 tick. Is that you? Anybody? Going once. No name on it.
Keep your tickets, because we'll draw again.
Yep, they're going to draw again. 794-8527. You got a winner?
Anybody?
Anybody? I know a few guys left, so maybe that was their ticket. Going once. 794-8527. Going twice. Come here, little guy. You can pick another one. Ding ding. We're sorry, folks.
Reach it. There. Got it? All right.
Okay, try this one. 794-8333. No name on the back. You got a winner?
I got a winner.
794-8333. That's it.
Got a winner.
$250. Congratulations.
Thank you, everybody.
You got it. Kidding me.
He said those were Justin Dumke's tickets, so the money goes back to Justin. I'll make sure that comes back. Don't worry about it. I'll get it. One way or the other, I'll get that money back. All right, listen. Thank you. On behalf of the LaSalle County Cruisers, thank you for coming out tonight. Bless. Drive home safe. Watch out for the deer. Thank you, folks.
Thank you.